Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be taking like all the stuff off, taking the motor out, because the clutch should be here the 15th, which is tomorrow, because I'm filming this now, and it said like 15th to 17th, so the clutch should be here soon. So I'm going to be taking the motor out and everything, and I already labeled all the stuff. There's like barely any wires, but you know, just in case. There's like no way you can mess it up, but I mean, it takes 2 seconds to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna set my camera up somewhere. I'm not sure yet where yet, and I'm gonna try and film all of it so I think I figured out how to do a time lapse on the editing software. So later I'll do a time lapse because people have been telling me I should do that, like kind of showing what I'm doing. So first I'm going to be taking off these 3 bolts to get the hood and whatever you call that. Get that off, and then probably take the pulley off. I just got to loosen up the tensioner, which I painted on the thread, so that'll be fun. I got to like use a wire brush, clean that off a little bit. And then I'll probably start taking off these wires, unplugging the connectors. And then after that, I don't think I have to take don't think I have to take the gas tank off. I think I just take these 2 bolts off. Or actually, this isn't even connected, so I don't even need to take that off. But I might take that off because it might be easier to get to. I don't know. See what I'm gonna do. So, yep, probably gonna start the time lapse now. Let's see where a good spot is. How's this? Yeah, what do you guys think about that? You like that right there? Probably be in your way most of the time, huh? Let's see how that goes. Oh, first ever time lapse. Hopefully it goes good.
Maybe you can hold it with these pliers. What do you think?
Yeah.
That'll work. Huh?
What's on the back of that?
Show that.
Come on, these ones.
If you got a snap ring to take off, that will do it. There it goes.
Yeah. It keeps doing that after like 18, 20 minutes. Something like that.
Here's Snowball. And she's a good kitty, huh? Yes, you are.
Well, guys, my battery's flashing, so I'm thinking that means it's gonna die soon. So unfortunately, you guys aren't gonna be able to see the us taking the engine out, but you'll see the time lapse of everything else, and then I'll probably take another video later when the engine's out and everything. So sorry you guys can't see that, but I don't have a spare battery or nothing, and I'm not gonna wait like 3 hours for the battery to charge. I don't want to just stop working, so I'll show you guys when it's out. Sorry that I can't show you the whole thing, and hopefully it kept shutting off, so hopefully the time lapse works fine. Like I can just edit all the videos together. There might be a couple minutes that are missing or something, but Yeah, see you guys later in the next portion of the video or whatever. We got the motor out, and the clutch should be coming in like a couple days. And yeah, just a little update. Alright, the new clutch finally came in at like 6 o'clock, and so we got the clutch assembly and the drive shaft back in, and here's the old clutch. It's not super bad, but it should make. Alright, well, took us like 2 hours, but we finally got the motor back in. Those bolts didn't want to go in for some reason, but we finally got it in. And then my the quick adjusting, or the quick release thing for the mower deck decided to fall off for some reason, so I had to fix that. And then the last guy broke a tap off in there, so my grandpa knocked it out and re-tapped the hole. So now we can actually put another bolt in there. Oh, and that reminds me too, the motor only had 3 bolts in it, because when we took it out it only had 3, so we decided, you know, we'll put all 4 in, unlike the last guy. So, yep, not gonna, I don't know, I'm getting kind of tired. I might finish putting everything back together, probably not, probably do that tomorrow. And, so yeah, everything's back together except for the gas tank and the wires. Alright, give you guys an update again when I got everything back on the hood and everything. Alright, peace. Hey, I forgot to show you guys too, in case you guys were wondering originally when I, in my first video when I talked about it, so that one up top there is for the PTO, and we just took the spade connectors that went on there, and, attached them to this inline fuse, so that the front PTO works. Hey guys, got it all back together now. Everything should be hooked up. We can pull it outside, test it out, drive it around for a little bit, you know, get the clutch a little warmed up, and then try and take off on in 3rd gear up the hill. And if it's able to do that, then that means the clutch is good, I guess. So yeah, I had to redo the mower deck. I have this piece off so I can show you. The where is it? Right here. This can you guys see? It's kind of dark. The I don't know what that would be, but it's just like it goes onto like this, which is for the foot, for the fenders, and that, like, I think it like helps center it and stuff, and just helps hold it up. It's part of the, like, the frame for that, and that somehow came off and was above on top of it, so the clutch pedal wouldn't go in. I'm like, what happened? Did I mess something up? But it was just because that was up there and it was rubbing against the clutch like thing, the linkage for it. And so I got that fixed. I had to take the front out, take the 2 bolts out, push down the thing, drop down, push down the quick release, drop that down, and then take the mower deck off to get that back in place, and then get the mower deck all back up and everything. And so yeah, everything's back together. Just got to put that like the transmission drive shaft area little cover on, and then I'm gonna take it outside, test it out, and I'll show you guys. Alright, now we're gonna start it up and see if the clutch engages and disengages like it should, and then I'll drive it around for a couple minutes and see if I can get or see if the clutch still works when it's warmed up in 3rd gear. Seems like the clutch is working good, so I'll drive it around for a couple minutes, and then I'll check back with you guys and see if it's still, if it'll go in 3rd gear up the hill when it's warmed up. So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Alright, this is pretty uphill, so we're gonna try third gear, see if it works, see if it slips. Oh, must not be disengaging all the way, grinding a little. Nope, still slipping. Here, we'll try here. It's a little flatter. The clutch isn't disengaging all now. Alright guys, I got the clutch adjusted, so see if it's still grinding when I try and put it into gear. I don't know if that's the engine bogging down or if it's the clutch slipping. It's doing it again. That's weird. The clutch isn't disengaging again. Huh. I don't know, I'll have to ask my grandpa. It worked the first time there when I started up, and now it's doing it again. Then I adjusted it. So I don't know. I have to see what my grandpa says when he gets home. Hey guys, so yesterday my grandpa figured out what it was. It was the motor is cocked to the side. You can actually see it.
It moved a little bit. Just loosening the bolts, you got about 1/8 of an inch.
But yeah, you guys can see up here is closer than over here. So that's what's causing it to slip and still hold on and grind. So I'll just give you guys an update when we fix it. Alright guys, well this is where we're at. It's still grabbing like the metal plate or something, because when the motor's running it's still spinning the drive shaft, so it grinds when you try and put it in. You can't get it in, but if you push the clutch down you can spin it, and it's not turning the motor. So, and I mean it's not grabbing this at all because there's so much play. So we don't know why when the motor's running with the clutch in, it's spinning the drive shaft and we can't get into gear. So we got it adjusted. Yeah, we got the clutch adjusted too, because we got it adjusted all the way so there's no slack. So we know, I mean you could see it anyways, that it's got so much play when the clutch is in. So it's not grabbing the clutch. It's something with like the motor, and the metal plate or something. And we already like 3 times loosened up the motor mounts and everything and tried pushing it forward and stuff, and nothing seems to fix it. So if anyone knows how to fix it or anything, let us know please. And so that's it for this video. Got a new clutch in there, but something's wrong, so I don't know. I'll give you guys an update in the next video if someone lets us know how to fix it and we get it fixed or something. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you know how to fix this, please comment below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. See you later.